Hey everyone, in this video, I will walk you through how to use Pinterest for Amazon affiliate marketing. By the end, you will know how to create pins that drive traffic and earn commissions. Let's dive in. First of all, log into your Pinterest account. Open your browser and go to pinterest.com. Now, enter your login credentials to access your account. If you don't have an account, create one. It's free and easy. Then click the plus icon at the top and select Create Pin. Then upload a product image. Choose an eye-catching image that represents the product you are promoting. Drag and drop or click to upload it. Use high-quality images with a clean background for better engagement. Now, add a title and affiliate link. Write a title that clearly describes the product. Example, stylish coffee mug for home and office. Paste your paste your Amazon affiliate link in the description link field. Important note, make sure you disclose it's an affiliate link in the description to comply with Amazon's policies. Now write a description using relevant hashtags. Write a short description that highlights the product's features and benefits. Example, upgrade your mornings with this stylish coffee mug, perfect for home or office use. Hashtag coffee lovers, hashtag kitchen essentials. Use hashtags to make your pin discoverable by more people. Now organize your pin into a board. Choose a board that matches the product's niche or create a new one. Example, kitchen essentials or morning coffee must haves. Boards help keep your pins organized and attract targeted audiences. Now let's talk about a few tips to make your Pinterest affiliate marketing more effective. Create niche boards. Organize your boards around specific topics like fitness gear or home decor. Join group boards. Search for group boards in your niche and collaborate to share your pins with a wider audience. These strategies help increase your reach and drive more clicks to your affiliate links. Next, use keywords naturally in your pins titles and descriptions. Research what people are searching for using Pinterest's search bar. Example, type coffee mug and note related keywords like unique coffee mugs or best coffee mugs. Incorporate these keywords in your content for better visibility. Finally, track your results and optimize your strategy. Go to your Pinterest Analytics dashboard to see how your pins are performing. Check metrics like impressions, clicks, and saves. Adjust your designs, descriptions, or hashtags based on what works best. Consistently test and improve your pins to maximize engagement and earnings. One last note: always comply with Pinterest's guidelines. Avoid spammy behavior like overposting. Clear disclose, clearly disclose, clearly disclose affiliate links to maintain trust with your audience. This ensures a this ensure this ensures a sustainable. This ensures a sustainable and positive experience on the platform. And that's it. You are now ready to use Pinterest to grow your Amazon affiliate marketing income. Create eye-catching pins. Optimize your keyword. Optimize with, optimize with keywords. And track performance to refine your strategy. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy pinning.